Hi everyone, today I want to talk about another important English point that can be a little tricky for some people. Adjectives that end with ed and ing. Now the reason these can be tricky is because there are many adjectives that can end in ed and ing and have the same root word. For example, interesting or interested. We still have that root word, interest, but the meaning of interested and interesting is a little bit different. You can still use both words in a sentence and the grammar would still be correct, but if you're not careful, people might misunderstand what you're trying to say. So in most cases, ed adjectives are used to express human feeling. I guess we could also use it for animal feelings, or if you want to apply human feelings to anything. So for example, surprised is a feeling that I might have, or somebody feels surprised. It is the kind of emotion that someone feels. Or tired. After a hard day of working, you might feel tired. Tired is the feeling that you have. Now with ing adjectives, it's not necessarily the feeling that you have, but the feeling that something else might cause you or someone else to have. So if you're tired, then maybe your work day was tiring. Or if you're an athlete that just ran a marathon, the marathon was tiring, ing. So let's look at a few examples of adjectives that can end in ed or ing. Interested, interesting. Tired, tiring. Surprised, surprising. Amazed, amazing. Bored, boring. Confused, confusing. Excited, exciting. So these are just a few of the more popular adjectives that can end in ed and ing, and you'll likely hear these in a lot of daily conversation with English speakers. So let's look at some example sentences showing ed and ing usage. Can we watch something else? This TV show is boring. I'm bored. Can we watch a different TV show? We can see that the TV show, because it's boring, might make the watcher bored. Let's try another example. John doesn't like studying math because it's confusing. John feels confused when he studies math. So again, here we have similar ideas in these sentences, but with one we're focusing on the math being confusing, and in the second sentence we're focusing on John feeling confused. So let's look at some examples with mistakes. I'm boring. Let's watch a movie. The grammar is fine, but the meaning is a little bit strange. We're saying that the person is making people feel bored, not that they feel bored. If we change the sentence, I'm bored, let's watch a movie, now the meaning is clear. Let's try another one. I love reading mystery novels. They're interested. So in this case, interested, remember this is a human emotion. We're giving a human emotion to a mystery novel? That sounds a bit strange. A mystery novel is interested? No, mystery novels can't feel emotions. We could change this to say, I love mystery novels. They're interesting. We can describe the mystery novel as interesting because it gives the feeling of interested to people that read it. Most of all, try to remember that when you're using ed adjectives, you're talking about a feeling or a human emotion that you feel or someone else feels. When you're using ing, this is the cause of that feeling. It doesn't have to be a person, it can be a thing or a movie or a book that gives you that feeling, whether it's surprising or interesting or amazing. So that's all for today. I'll see you next time.